Hi everyone, this is Charlene, and I'm here to share my latest journal with you. I'm kind of excited about this one because it's a prayer journal. I made one, excuse me, I'm out of breath. I made one, a few weeks ago for my friend, and I really liked it, so I thought I'd try another one. Oh my gosh, I can't breathe. I'm sorry. So this one measures about 5.5 by 8.5. It's got 52 pages if you can count front and back. The kit, I used a couple of kits in here by PorchSwingDesigns, Mary Lou. One is called Notes, and the other one is called In the Garden Prayer Journal. So as you see, it's going to have many beautiful scriptures in it, and I'm not going to read them all because I don't have time. But in the front, it says, trust in God with all your heart. And it has some pretty lace on it and little flowers. So anyways, let's take a peek inside. Got some really pretty pink organza type ribbon with some gold in it. And we'll try to get through this without running out of time. So I have my little butterflies in here, and they're dimensional. Their little wings come up. They lay flat, but their little wings come up. So here it says, this book belongs to, excuse me. And then this is a little paper called Daily Prayers with a scripture and my prayers and a request and thankful for. So it has that, and then this is where my story begins, and then praying for, a cute little tag called praying for. So here I have God is love with some lace. My allergies are killing me, so if I clear my throat and drive you crazy, I apologize. So I've got a beautiful scripture here and a tag and a card. It says, may the God who gives hope fill you with all joy. Romans 15:13. And then this is Lord, please teach me how to pray. The world's in pretty bad condition right now, and we need all the prayers and help we can get. So this one says, be joyful in hope, faithful in prayer. Romans 12:2. This is the kit. This is the notes kit, and these are in the garden prayer journal. So here's a place for my prayers. It says, with God, all things are possible. I have a little glassine envelope with a notebook that says hope. Right here. And then it says study, pray, and serve. Here's some little journal tags, cards, the Lord's Prayer. We all just love the Lord's Prayer. Another cute little butterfly. It says, God is our strength, our hope, our confidence. Draw close to God, He will draw close to you. And keep on encouraging one another. That's really important, isn't it? So some pretty paper. And then a pocket here. It says, praise our God, always be rejoicing. Faith, hope, love, and some, a little extra lace. And then to God we are dedicated, Matthew 16:24. Here's a top tuck and a nice pretty scripture and a pretty journal card with a little blue butterfly to match this. And I'll put a little flower there. She gives you lined paper too. This is her perpetual calendar. Oh, this is my favorite. It's from Matthew 17:20, and it says, For truly I say to you, if you have faith the size of a mustard grain, you will say to this mountain, move from here to there, and it will move, and nothing will be impossible for you. Matthew 17:20, and this little clear baggie has a mustard grain in it to show you that if you have that much faith. And then I have a couple of journal cards, Best Life Ever, My Prayers, Love is Patient and Kind. Have a pretty little tuck spot here with, this is a Hermelinda tag. She isn't making journals right now. Hopefully she'll come back and do some more soon, because they were beautiful. And I've got some little ribbon there. So this is a little pull down tuck thing, a little writing flip pull down thing. And then this says believe with a pretty little image on it. And, oh, there's all plenty of room to write. And all the pages are tea stained. This is an envelope with just a pretty paper in here to journal on. Isn't that pretty? So I've got that just clipped right here. And then it says, have no fear, exercise faith. And then a couple of beautiful journal cards with scriptures on them. Here's a little side tuck with a scripture there, and it says the hope that does not lead to disappointment. Romans 5:5, and that just goes in there. And then this is a Rita Donnelly flip up where you can write things on, and then this is the same as what's on the cover, and it says, I praise you in an awe-inspiring way. I am wonderfully made. Your works are wonderful. And these little flowers are in my shop. Kind of out of them right now, but I'll be making some soon. So here we have another tuck spot with a journal card. I think I'm going to have to scoot right along. Another tuck spot with a couple of beautiful scripture cards and plenty of room to write on the back with some lined paper. This is the middle. Isn't this beautiful? This is from her notes. I didn't put anything on there because it was so pretty. Here's a couple of scripture card, and love never fails. Some more music paper. Here's don't be afraid, for I am with you, and a nice journal open tag. Love never fails. This opens up to write, and then it's a tuck spot with some scripture cards in there. It says read the Bible daily and hope. Here's a little tuck spot with some journal cards, a little postcard, and pretty much everything has scriptures on it. Have no fear, only exercise faith. Mark 5:36. This bag's got some little extras in here that you can use. Another beautiful open tag card, open tag. A doily. I put some scrapbook paper in here too. Here's a couple of journal card tags with scriptures on them. My spiritual goals. And oh, these are from Mary Lou's. I don't know what kit they are, but they're so pretty. I just love them with these flowers. I absolutely love these. So I had to put them in. And then a scripture card. Some lined paper, and it's a perpetual calendar. To whom do we belong? It says, love is patient and kind, happily ever after. And a scripture from Colossians. Here's another little flip up. It says, love is patient and kind. Keep seeking first the kingdom, and just around the corner. It's almost here, folks. Here's some beautiful lined paper. With God, all things are possible. See yourself when all is new. And then here's a couple more scripture journal tags. And a little pocket here. In all your ways, acknowledge him, and he will make your paths straight. Beautiful scriptures. I loved it. I love this. I have journals. I have prayer journals that I write into. Happy are the merciful. Another little pull down flip thing with a card that's journal tag that says love never fails. Prayer. In a pocket here. Put on the whole armor of God. A little butterfly. It says he will cover you with his feathers, and under his wings you will take refuge. His faithfulness will be your shield and rampart. And there's a beautiful journal card and a journal card right here. And this is the back, and it has another one of these daily prayers, another notebook that says peace, pray, and a little postcard. So that's it, and it says prayer. So that's it. I hope you like it. It will be in my Etsy shop, and I'll try to list all the information below. Take care, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.